Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with Midjourney, a beginner's guide. We will be checking an awesome tool called Midjourney, which assists in creating AI-generated images. I will show you easy ways to use it to create really nice images and explain how the Midjourney server works. If you are new to this, don't worry, this video is made just for you. We will walk you through it step by step. Before we move forward, allow me to introduce you to our channel. If you are keen on staying up to date with the latest AI tools and learning how to use them effectively, this is the perfect channel for you. We offer clear-cut tutorials and keep you well informed. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support greatly contributes to our efforts in producing more videos. So, let's get started and head over to Discord. Once you are in Discord, locate the member list. If you don't see it, simply click on this button here to toggle it. You will then find the Midjourney bot listed among the members. The initial method to engage with it involves right-clicking and selecting Message. It is crucial to emphasize that this approach is exclusively available to paid users. Once you have opened a message, simply initiate a prompt by using the # key and you can commence crafting your image. For instance, you can input imagine, followed by the description of the image you have in mind. For free trial users, you can head over to the Midjourney server and use the newcomer rooms. These channels are where you can prompt Midjourney, browse through and witness the incredible images being generated in real time, along with the prompts that were used. However, it is worth noting that Midjourney is no longer available for free use, as the company has discontinued its free trial due to overwhelming demand and misuse of the trial period. So, if you are interested in using Midjourney, you will need to invest in a Pro member account. However, if you are working with a tight budget and still want to create AI-generated images, I encourage you to explore our videos. I have created numerous videos showcasing alternative tools to Midjourney. While Midjourney has gained significant popularity for good reason, if you have the financial means, I do recommend considering a Pro account for an enhanced experience. Now, let us proceed to my recommended approach, which involves setting up your own server and inviting the Midjourney bot. It is important to mention that this option is also exclusively available to paid users. To begin, you will need to establish your server. Click the green plus icon located at the bottom of your Discord window. Then choose Add a Server and opt for Create My Own. You can assign any name you prefer to your server, or you can even skip this step if you wish. After that, you can upload an image if desired. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will name it YouTube Images and click Create. Now, within your newly created server, you will find a general text channel for sending messages and a voice channel for conversing with friends. To initiate the use of Midjourney in this server, you will need to invite the bot. Go back to the Midjourney server, right-click on the bot and select Profile. Then, click on Add to Server. You'll be prompted to choose the server to which you want to add the bot. In this instance, I will select YouTube Images and press Continue. Ensure that the required permissions are checked and click Authorize. Confirm that you are human and you are all set. Now, let us venture into the intricate world of enhancing your Midjourney experience. This is where you can fine-tune the bot to align more closely with your creative vision. To start, type /settings and hit Enter. Then, a menu of customizable options will be at your fingertips. One key consideration is choosing the Midjourney version that aligns with your needs. Paid users enjoy access to more advanced versions, providing a broader spectrum of creative possibilities. Additionally, you can select your preferred rendering mode, from Niji mode for an anime-style aesthetic to Midjourney model version 1 to 5 for a more lifelike depiction. Beyond this, you will encounter the style level, a setting that allows you to fine-tune the artistic stylization of your generated images. This scale ranges from stylized low to stylized very high, with the latter option demanding a slightly higher cost but promising outstanding results. If you are just starting out, it is often advisable to begin with the default settings, which provide base quality and a medium style, and then tweak them according to your evolving artistic preferences. It is worth noting that public mode allows others to view your Midjourney creations by default. Finally, you have the flexibility to choose between fast mode and relax mode for image generation. While relax mode takes a bit more time to craft images, it is an unlimited option for paid users, whereas fast mode taps into your allocated fast hours. Select the mode that aligns with your workflow, whether it is a leisurely creative process or a more expedited one. To tidy up your settings, simply click Dismiss Message after you have selected your preferences. With these adjustments in place, let us move on to the exciting part, creating your first image. In Discord, click into your message area and once again, type /imagine. This signifies that you are ready to provide a prompt for the bot. Now, it is time to get creative. Type in a vivid prompt that will bring your vision to life. For instance, I will type horse and a prince in a tundra with ice and snowflakes. Make it intense, shadowy, vibrant, and exciting. Then, hit enter and watch the magic unfold. While the image is in the process of generation, you will observe a progress percentage and the current mode you have chosen. Exercise patience as the magic unfolds, and you will soon be rewarded with a stunning image. If you are aiming for a larger rendition of your image, you can take advantage of the upscaling feature. The designations U1, U2, U3, and U4 represent different levels of upscaling for your desired image. Simply select the one you prefer by clicking on the corresponding image number. For instance, if I want to enhance this particular image, I will choose U4. To offer even more control and personalization, you can fine-tune additional settings. This includes the ability to select from options such as very strong, very subtle, and very region. Additionally, you can experiment with various zoom factors, such as zoom out 2 times, zoom out 1.5 times, and even apply a custom zoom factor. As a demonstration, let us explore the effects of zoom out 2 times. As you can witness, our image has been substantially zoomed out, resulting in a distinct perspective. The transformative capabilities of this tool are undeniably impressive, opening up new creative horizons. Additionally, you will find that we offer variations, denoted as V1, V2, V3, and V4. Similar to the upscaling options, selecting a variation is as straightforward as clicking on the corresponding image number. For instance, if you feel that a particular image can benefit from an alternative interpretation, you can simply click on V3 to apply the variation. Upon closer inspection, you may notice that the result is somewhat akin to the original image, with slight differences that might be more appealing. The choice of using upscaling and variations in enhancing your images is contingent on your initial satisfaction with the image and your artistic preferences. It is all about harnessing these versatile tools to bring your creative vision to life. To preserve your image, you have a couple of convenient options. You can either right-click the image and select Save Image As, or you can click on the image, then choose Open in the browser. And from there, select Save Image As. For optimal image quality, I would advise saving it as a PNG format. It is quite straightforward, don't you think? Once you have a chance to try it out, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback, perspectives, and experiences could be immensely beneficial for others contemplating the use of this platform. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I hope this video helps you out and I would love to see you in the next video.